How to turn off low power mode on your Apple. Low power mode is actually a power saver mode that you can use to extend battery life on your Apple, Android, or Windows device. Nonetheless, it can curtail certain features and functions that you may want to use. If you're looking to unlock the full capacity of your device, disable the low power mode. In this video, we'll guide you on how to turn off low power mode on various devices, empowering you to enjoy all the amazing features the devices have to offer. How to turn off low power mode on iPhone or iPad. First of all, navigate to your iPhone settings. You can find the settings on the main screen. It's symbolized by a gray gear of a machine. Once you've entered the device's settings, scroll down and tap on battery. After tapping on battery, select the switch next to low power mode. The switch should be turned gray from green, which is the indication that you have turned low power mode off. If you would like to activate the low power mode again, just tap the same toggle.